Hi, it's me again with Corel Roll Tips and Tricks, and somebody sent me this Corel file, and if you look at it, it's vector and it's 8 objects. But she says when she exports it as a PNG, PFG, PNG, it's all black. Well, I just exported this and opened this up. This is my PNG. But I did notice one thing when I was moving this object. And if you move some things, sometimes you see some objects that aren't there. And there is a slanted rectangle. We can maybe even look at it in wireframe and see what it looks like. There it is. There's another object there that might be causing the problem. So let's go back. We don't have to keep it in wireframe. We can go to edit or go to view and enhanced. And if we move it, we can see that box. So it's right in here. So if we take the pick tool, holding down the Alt key, which makes it select everything, there's our box, but if we hit delete, it'll delete our logo. So you need to select that and go to object and break compound of all the 3 elements apart. Now I can take the Alt key and just select that corner and hit delete. Now that invisible box is gone. That's the only thing I could really see that might be causing a problem. I don't know, evidently she's printing this. Pretty cool design, logo. Might be a little bit hard to read through this black and the other cross and I guess it's MCS. You could always change things like that around and take your MCS. This is just an idea and go to order front of page, and it would be kind of especially if you're printing this, I think that would look a little bit better, but that's my preference. But give that a shot, but I exported it and I get this and I don't see anything wrong with it. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.